this question, we are asked to find the gradient. So I'm just going to take one derivative and then combine them. So the derivative of the cost with respect to, say, Wj is derivative of the cost with respect to ai, and all the ai's share one w, so I is from 1 to n, and there's only one training data, so n is actually 1 here, so there's actually only one term. So dA dwj. So c with respect to a is this thing with respect to a, so it's twice y minus a, and a with respect to w is this one, so it's xi. So here it's just sum of j from 1 to m, wj xij. So that's why you take derivative with respect to one particular wj, you get the xij. So what's next? Oh, we need to calculate a. We have y already, so y is just 100. And we need to compute ai. Ai is just w transpose xi plus b, which is, we know w, we know x, and m is equal to d. So their product is w is 3, 3, 3. There are d 3's, and x is 1, 1, 1, 1, and there are d 1's. So combine them, it's just 3 plus 3 plus 3, so it's 3d basically. And also b is 3, so we know it's plus 3, so this whole thing becomes 3d plus 3. So let's just put them together. 100 minus 3d minus 3. And xij, all of the xi, so xi is 1 basically, there's only one data point. So x1j, all of them is 1, so I don't actually care, so this is 1. So now we know that that's the first one, and so we just change j. For j is 1 is this, for j is 2, nothing changes because these are the same. This depends on j, but x is the same. So j is 2 is the same thing, and so on. So basically, if you combine them, the gradient, so it should be written as gradient of w of c with respect to w is just a vector of the same thing repeated. So let's just write 100 minus 3d minus 3 times 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.